Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this edition of gift guide reviews, I want to show you guys 3 products to give your loved ones in order for them to get holiday glamorous. So most of everybody knows Conair by their hair care products, their blow dryers and all that kind of stuff, but did you also know that they not only have a skincare brand, but they also now have makeup tools? Yes, Conair is coming out with makeup tools, and so these 3 tools are basically the essentials that almost every beauty person needs, or not even like a beauty blogger, just like if you love makeup, you need these 3 products. So let's go one by one and then I will open them up and show you how they work. Okay, yes, so side note, I will make sure that I link all of these products in the description box. You can go straight to the link and shop to your heart's content. Okay, so everybody knows a regular beauty blender. It's what I use to put on foundation. It's probably what 80% of America uses now to put on foundation. But do you know that they now have a vibrating beauty blender? So yes, the vibrating beauty blender, basically the vibration action just makes sure that it goes on smooth and then you have even makeup application. There is only one speed, and this takes a, this takes a AAA battery and it's not included. So don't be that person that it's Christmas time and you're unwrapping all these gifts and there are no batteries in the house. So now I have to sit and look at my gift in the package because you didn't buy me a battery. It takes one AAA battery. It's not included, guys. So pick up some batteries while you're in Target or Walmart or wherever you are buying your last minute Christmas gifts. Pick up some batteries. All right, so this is it. This is another thing that I love, guys. It comes with its own stand. Like, this is where the battery goes. And so this is the beauty blender. So it goes in like this. So when you're done, you could just sit it on top of your makeup case. You don't have to worry about it sitting with all your other blenders. So this is separate, guys. This is so nice. It has a power button here, so it's only one speed, so you don't have to worry about, you know, like excessive speed. It has one speed, and then it still has like the round brush angle up here to give you like precision when you're contouring and stuff like that. So this is a must-have for anybody that loves flawless foundation. Next up, we have the vibrating makeup brush set. So it comes with 2 different brushes. So you have your standard brushes you can use to apply like powder and stuff like that, and then you have the other brush that's used for blending out your foundation. So one of the main things that I love about this brush right here is that it can give you a true 3D or like an airbrush effect. So that's like a really great thing. And then there are some days when I don't feel like wearing heavy foundation, so this brush also really helps to just evenly disperse the powder foundation that I'm wearing. It comes in, like I said, it's only one speed, so you don't have to worry about the speeds. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have a heated eyelash curler. So this is what it looks like. It's heated, so it does take a battery. It takes one AAA battery. Very easy to use. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You see how simple? This is perfect travel size. The battery goes back here, so you just slide that in. That's where the battery goes, right there in that section. And then you slide it back on. And then of course you have up here, it's just an on-off button. So that's off and then that's on. Yeah, so this is it. I went ahead and put the battery in it. I'm just gonna press the on button just to see how warm it gets. Guys, it doesn't get hot. And as I'm feeling it right now, it doesn't get hot, it's warm. It's not like it's gonna like burn your lashes off, don't worry. But it's a great substitute, it's a great compliment when you don't really want to wear falsies. I know I don't like to wear false lashes every single day. So it's a great thing to just put this on first and then pair it with any kind of mascara to give you the volume that you want on your natural lashes. It's actually a really good gift idea. And all right, so we have the eyelash curler, we have the vibrating brush, and then we also have the beauty blender. I will link where you can get everything from in the description box. Thank you for this edition of Gift Guide Review. Don't forget to check out the other editions to find the perfect gift for your loved one, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.